Welcome back Tech World, and it's Craig from MobileTechTalk, and today we've got a very special unboxing from Etymotic, I think the name is of the company. These are the Etymotion wireless ER4XRs, but with Bluetooth included. Now, we've reviewed other Etymotion devices, I think the ER2s and the ER3s. These are very premium in-ear monitors, and now you've actually got the ability to be able to connect them up to your smartphone rather than use another adapter such as a DAC or an amp or something to actually plug it in to a 3.5mm output and get the audio. You're getting premium audio now through Bluetooth. So we're just going to do a bit of an unboxing, run through the specs, and then I'm going to put these in here and start to review them for MobileTechTalk. So let's get on with the unboxing, and thanks for joining us. Right, let's get on with the unboxing. I'm really excited to see what Etymotion are actually delivering for us with these. These are very, very premium devices. I think they run $399 in the UK, which is around, well, I think 460 euros. So we'll take the sleeve off, just a nice paper sleeve, and we'll just stick that over there. So according to Etymotion, these have 30 plus decibels of external noise isolation. Very interesting. Durable anodized aluminium bodies, they absolutely do. They have MMCX connections, I believe, which are standard in the audiophile world. And just look at the way that slides out. I think that's a beautiful unboxing experience. Let's just have a look what we get in the middle here. So we've got a nice little carry case, quite tough, so you're protecting your investment. And in here we have something that's important apparently. Let's look at that first. Talking about how to actually seal your the tips in your ear, both from a health perspective but also to get the best from this device. So nice little tip there, nice little tip on the tip. You've got some foam tips here, which are my favourite, the Comply tips, because they just expand within the ear canal and give you that more immersive feel and more isolation. But we'll see what that looks like in the review. And then you've got some pointed silicone tips as well that really sort of direct the audio. I have found these a little bit difficult to use in my ear previously, but we'll give these a go. You get a little bit about the actual unit itself. 2 user manuals, it seems. One's obviously like a quick start guide, and one comes with a little bit more information. We don't need to read the manual, I'm sure. Then we've got another little carry case. I've seen this before with Etymotion products. And in here, you've got some more tips and a little tip carrier, something I've used previously from these guys. You've got a few clips just to kind of keep the wires from getting stuck in any of your clothing, as well as a Type A to micro USB charging cable. Would have liked to have seen USB-C there, but oh well. Have we got anything else in here? Looks like we have, but I don't know whether I'll be able to get this out. This is very tight. Let's keep this out first. What else have we got? Another clip. Fine. We've got something else down the bottom here, and it is, I have no idea what that is, whether that is a cleaner for the tips. I don't know, we'll have to have a look at the manual. Either way, you get a nice little carry case. Let's just put that off to the side. There's the other little one. Let's have a look at the ER4XRs. Does this side bit actually come off? No, it doesn't. Okay. This bit's quite fiddly actually. Let's pull these out. And let's just close this up. So we've got a very nice, oh, these feel light, but also very robust. Hoping you can see them there. You've got the little box where all the magic happens with the micro USB charging port. You've obviously got a notification LED there. Across on the, I think it's the right hand side. Would that be the right hand side or the left hand side? I don't think it matters, and I think, oh no, it does. That's the left. That's the left and that's the right. So on the right end, you've got your presumably volume up, volume down, play, pause, and multifunction buttons. So my initial reaction is that these feel incredibly premium. You've got the ability to just snap these off as well because they're MMCX standard connectors. So if you wanted to use different earpieces or different cables from the Etymotic range or Etymotion range, you could. Yeah, these feel incredibly durable. They just clip back into place like that. I'll definitely be putting the Comply tips on here just to see what it feels like. You've got the Etymotic brand here. Yeah, so my immediate reactions are these are going to feel great in the ear. They're going to sound great, I think. I'm not sure about this bit here. This was obviously going to sit behind your neck as you have them on. I'm not sure how that's going to sit on my neck, but we'll give these a go anyway. So this has just been a quick unboxing of the Etymotion wireless ER4XR-BT in-ear monitors. They're currently available from Amazon, the Etymotic website, and a few other places at $3.99. So you know that you're getting, or you should be getting, a premium product. They do actually come with 20 Hz to 16 Hz frequency response. They've got 30 plus, as I said, decibel noise isolation, and the Comply tips and these particular tips are really going to help with that. They've got a 45 ohm impedance, sensitivity of up to 98 decibels at 1 kilohertz, and a maximum output of 122 decibels. Don't output 122 decibels on these, you will have no ears left. Yeah, let's give these a go. Let's put them through the review labs at MobileTechTalk, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe, it really does help us, and stay safe.